In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll a tiny bit to tap on Display. Now click on Display Refresh Rate available here and tap on the best one in order to apply it. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!